Hi guys, I hope you are all doing very well. I am Anil Peketi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the tech buzz ChatGPT. In the last previous video we have discussed about generative AI and we have briefly seen what is generative AI. Today one of the generative AI is ChatGPT. We will try to explore how we will use this ChatGPT. As you know, ChatGPT is a chatbot type system where we give an input as a command prompt and gives us the answer by generating based on the database it is trained on. So let's check this with a simple question, like let us know what actually a chat gpt is by asking the chat gpt itself. So make some mess with the chat gpt. Who are you exactly? So let's see what is the answer which is given by itself about itself. So I'm a ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI. I'm designed to generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts, including questions, statements, and requests. So in general, it is giving what are the inputs it will take. It will take prompts as inputs, questions as inputs, statements as inputs, and requests as inputs. I use natural language processing and machine learning techniques to understand and generate text. So see here that machine learning techniques and language processing. Natural language processing means the user defined language. It is it processes the user input and then by techniques of the neural networks of the ChatGPT is learned on based on the machine learning techniques. It is trained on some data sets, fixed data sets up to September 2021. So what actually the outputs of these inputs and processes means the purpose is assist and communicate with users in conversational manner. That means like a chatbot. If you give a question, it will give you a reply. If you give say statement, it gives information about the statement. If you request something, it will give you the request. So let us see how exactly it works by asking a statement like whether moon revolves around sun or not. So actually we know the moon revolves around the earth, not the sun. So the exact answer is given by the ChatGPT. This is a very basic simple question. We will try to go deeper into the AI model. So let me ask a question which is related to some engineering assignment of mechanical engineering. Brief about industrial engineering. So it will give you the brief information about what is industrial engineering, how it is given. Okay, so in this, by using this chat GPT, we can confidently fill our assignments. But the best part here is I'm giving the same inputs. You observe this is in the some three paragraphs with ls in a effective manner. So let me try to regenerate the response and see what happens next. So see here, every time if you click on the regenerate response, it will give some more additional responses and it adds the briefing and it gives whether it is best or it takes some feedback also, and we can use both of them and we can relevantly change the requirements. So let me go somewhat deeper how effective this chat gpt is by asking some what are the softwares used for stack or let me search like web development. Let's see what is the answer it will be given. So it is giving all the softwares used for integrated platforms, text editors, content management systems, server-side scripting languages, client-side scripting languages. Everything is given by it. So this is somewhat deeper version. And if we go much deeper into the ChatGPT and the capabilities of ChatGPT, let us try to write a sample program given a m into n matrix. Write a Python program to transpose matrix. So the best part is going to come up. So here you will see what is the capability of the ChatGPT. It will create the Python program by itself, and even it provides the comments in the code itself, and then it describes what exactly the code is running about. So we can easily understand the code, and we can copy the code, and we can run it also. So the one more most important or one of the major feature of this ChatGPT is I can simply convert this code, or if I want the same question in a different language, I want the same question answer for a different language. I can simply write, can you write, same program in Java. So let's see what will happen. This is the best part. It is generating the Java program for this same question which was given and the same answer which was given in the Python. So we can easily convert one type of coding question to another coding question, another language. We can directly give some coding in one language in the send message prompt, and we can ask it to analyze that coding, analyze the program, and generate the bugs, or just reduce the bugs, whatever it is, reduce the time taking also. So in this way it is effective way of using the ChatGPT, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.